From harsh winters to humid coastlines, your fence should withstand the elements without losing its strength or beauty. Meet the aluminum fence solution, built for all climates, brought to you by XingQiu Aluminum. Unlike traditional wood or iron fences, aluminum will not rot, warp, or rust. Even in extreme environments, it resists oxidation and corrosion, which means fewer repairs and lower maintenance costs over time. All it needs is an occasional cleaning to keep it looking brand new. At XingQiu Aluminum, we offer a wide variety of colors, styles, and designs. Whether you're matching modern architecture or blending with a natural landscape, we have the right fence for your vision. Need a specific design? We support fully customized solutions, tailored to your needs. Our aluminum fence are not just strong, they're elegant, stylish, and built to fit seamlessly into your environment. Perfect for homes, businesses, gardens, pools, and more. Beauty meets durability in every fence we build. Backed by expert fabrication and years of experience, Planet Aluminum offers reliable quality and prompt service. From standard designs to full customization, we'll help you have fences that are durable and impressive. XingQiu Aluminum, strong, stylish, built to last. Contact us today for custom aluminum fencing solutions. Make the fence more in line with your design style and better integrate it into various buildings and landscapes.